good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of day you're watching this. So right here, what I have right here is the Steam Deck. It finally arrived after waiting for months and months for this. It's finally here, and I can't wait to open it. If you guys don't know what a Steam Deck is, it's a portable console created by Valve, by Steam. If you're into PC gaming, or if you want to get into PC gaming, definitely try a Steam Deck. It's there's different price ranges. You can just go to Steam and you can reserve one there. It's $5 to reserve. You won't have to wait for months now. To my understanding is that they're shipping this out a lot quicker. So you don't have to wait for months like I did and a lot of people did. If you reserved last year, yes, we reserved this last year and it's finally here. Shout out to my wife. She actually paid for this. It's a Christmas gift, early Christmas gift. So shout out to my wife. And yeah, can't wait to open it up and show you guys what's inside this box. So the Steam Deck comes in a pretty simple box. Yeah, you can't really tell it's a Steam Deck unless you actually look at the info over here where it does say Steam Deck. So I can see why some people are stealing this, because it does say in the shipping label, it does say the word Steam Deck. And for what I've been reading online, some people just steal this, or some FedEx drivers actually can steal or have stolen some of these Steam Decks based off what I've seen on the internet. So yeah, pretty simple box here. So let's open it up. So opening the box, it feels not too heavy, and there we have it. It comes with a case. The model I got comes with a case, so I guess it's inside the case because it feels heavy. So I think the Steam Deck's inside the case right now. So it comes with a, what is this? Attention. So for charging. And here is the charger. Charger. I think it's a USB-C charger. Yep, USB-C charger right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a pretty heavy charger actually. So let's open this case. Your games are going places. The Steam Deck. Man, doesn't feel too heavy. Huh. How do you open this?
One eternity later.
So we have the deck right here. The Steam Deck is inside. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it for the first time. And there you have it. There's the Steam Deck. Man, doesn't feel too heavy. It actually feels comfortable, I'd say. So there you have it. It's pretty simple, and that's what's inside the case. That's it. Just a glass cleaner right here, and that's it. Oh wow. Huh. I expected more things inside the case, to be honest, but that's it. That's all inside. So pretty much just a charger and the deck and the case. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into any specs and all the tech stuff, because there are way better and smarter people out there who can go over that, and they're all here on YouTube. I've watched multiple videos of those, and yeah, I probably wouldn't even know what I'm talking about if I mentioned them to you guys. So yeah, definitely excited to try it out, and can't wait. Yep. Thanks for watching, and like always, have a great day. All right, thanks.